It's time for the 2023 Victorian Caravan and Camping Super Show. After visiting Geelong Outdoor Show last vlog, we're heading to find the brands who weren't there, so come along. Hey guys, welcome to the 2023 Melbourne Caravan Super Show. We've arrived here today and we're going to take you around.
Yeah, can't wait. It's really good.
So we're currently in the Jayco stand.
Yeah, some interesting things here. Very interesting. Keen to have a look at some others as well.
Let's go and do that, shall we?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, see you soon. This year we weren't alone. We brought our friends along. Well, this was a new addition for 22 and wasn't at the Geelong show.
Is that a permanent bed? Scott, I reckon it is.
Oh, I'm not sure, honey. Ooh. With the pop top lifting to reveal a double bed up top for sleeping, this model can actually carry for and sleep for in a compact dimension if you're after a van lifestyle vehicle. So it's permanent.
It is permanent. That's a shame. If that...
Welcome back to the sea of checkerboard and grey. Look at the cacti. There's one here too. These uniquely styled caravans caught all our eyes, so we thought we'd better just hop inside and check one out.
So I can actually stand up for
That's all right. There's a dinette. It's got enough of a roof line in it. Two singles, like it's all. TV comes down from the roof. Microwaves under there. Padded.
like this one. I don't get shallow, but it's a nice bottle pantry. Yeah, there's racks and bottle pantry.
So these are moulded
Yeah.
little cubby holes, but because they're moulded, obviously they would then tilt when the top comes down. Speakers,
Yeah.
tiny little
comes right down.
skylight.
Come in. And there's sinks out here.
Groovy.
You probably pull them out, lie them down on top of them.
Time to continue on and find us some more motorhomes. Yeah.
Anyway, you got
that
to
one.
eat.
So you turn those around to little dinettes.
Yeah.
And then, oops, permanent bed. Plenty of cabinetry, reading lights, Sirocco fans, big windows. And looks like you don't even get a permanent stove, you get a plug-in.
But having said that, look at the bench.
Yeah, true.
Huge.
But again, dogs, like you just got this.
Yeah.
On this.
Full-size fridge.
Yeah, and a wardrobe. And lots of cupboards. And then
Look at the storage above.
I know.
There you go, guys.
And then,
Good. Can I help you?
not just yet. Thank you.
Nah,
Yeah.
not yet. No worries. Any questions, just yell out.
Sure will.
Yeah, no worries.
Oh, the only thing I will ask is the chassis. So how hard is it to get the chassis? These like the
These, yeah, they're a little bit hard.
Yeah, thought it would be.
I think we've got one coming, or one's landing on the docks as we speak. I think we've got one more in November, and then it'll be next year after that. So yeah, they are a little bit hard. They're getting a bit more
easier.
Yeah.
It's got storage everywhere.
Yeah, but you'll find that is a pass through, but that's fine. You can get access
doesn't
on both
matter.
sides. Yeah. And that's your electric step button.
Yeah.
But yeah, you get your nice knobbly tyres. And see, so when you get actually, oh yeah, it's a garage. So it's actually, yeah. You'd have to go into the little motorhome corral there, husband. M10, M8. No, M7, M6. Do they only have an M2.9? Where's the other two? See, it's different because the oven's here on the one we're looking at. But still in the beds. So the M2.9 still has the 2 double beds and the 4 seat belts, so it can still carry and sleep 4. Like, it's very similar. So they're in the same. So there's a long reach. That'll be the huge Big Daddy if you want to look at that one. Yeah, I think they're like, does it have it? I think you're looking at like 300,000 for that, I think. Or is it? Where is it?
409.
There you go. Yeah, I knew it was something like that. Comes complete with an outdoor kitchen, pantry and washing machine and fridge. And a TV and entertainment system. They pack a lot into this machine. It was quite popular. There were a lot of people inside and looked like they were set for a long haul. It made viewing it a little bit tricky, but we managed to see most of it. Oh yeah, so it has a rear retreat at the back on a slide out, which obviously has its double or queen bed and separate shower and bathroom. Moving back towards the front, you have a lovely leather dinette set for 4 and a lovely leather cinema lounge with a bar and TV. The other double beds above the cab.
How are you going to get into the driver's seat?
But I'm not sure if we're meant to step through to the driver's area. At the Sunliner stand, we head past a Sage and a Switch S441 due to its electric bed.
But it's got a chunkier awning.
And we head to the 442.
So this has the slide out. That's battery outside. Toilet cassette is on the rear. You still got a rear window.
In the bathroom, which is at the rear of this vehicle, there's a picnic table. So again, we had to wait, but we eventually got inside the Sunliner Switch. It obviously carries 4 with the seat belts on the dinette. And this is a Series 8 Fiat Ducato. You got a double bed above the cab with windows and reading lights. Spin around to your central kitchen and bed on a slide out with your rear bathroom. So separate shower with its fan and skylight. Toilets.
Cabinetry. You got space for this. Doesn't come with the washing machine, obviously, but there's space for one. But you got all these hooks, you got all these things already. You got cabinetry up, you got cabinetry down.
A standing wardrobe.
Yep. And drawers. And drawers and drawers and drawers.
TVs in front of the bed.
Back behind the bed.
Reading lights.
And this is obviously also
skylight above.
Because it's here. And the air conditioning is also in a good spot.
Little nooks and crannies for all your books and anything you need while in bed. And Michael's standing in front of the good 175 litre 3-way fridge and microwave.
Free traveller.
When we last looked at Sunliners, the black pack was an optional extra. It now seems to be standard, but we just had to have a look.
So here we are at Windsor. But we all know what Windsor offers.
How you doing, Malcolm? Good, thank you.
So the arena has plenty of food compared to the Geelong show. It's amazing. Look at all these people. It is lunchtime. What a brilliant idea. Misting station. Try getting your motorhome through a course like this. That's why you pack your cupboards so nothing moves around. Well, that's something that I'd probably give a go, but I don't think my husband would you?
Absolutely not. I'd be crying by now. I'll get out.
Right, well, we're nearly at the end of the Caravan show, and we have enjoyed it, haven't we, husband?
Yes, definitely. It's been great. Yeah, very good. Yeah, excellent.
I hope you've enjoyed what we've shown you today.
Yeah.
And we look forward to seeing you out on the road.
See you guys.
Bye.